Locked out of your home, car, or business? Can't find the keys you need? Your Solution Locksmith can help you with a fast lockout service. Moved into a new house or business? Your Solution Locksmith provides rekeying and changing locks with master rekey system. Lost your car, motorcycle, or boat keys? Your Solution Locksmith provides all key replacement and key programming, as well as key fob replacement. Your Solution Locksmith also provides eviction locksmith in Metro Atlanta and surrounding. Your Solution Locksmith would be glad to assist you immediately. Your Solution Locksmith LLC is the real Snellville Locksmith in Snellville, Georgia. We are highly experienced, are open 24/7. We do all automotive, residential, and commercial work. We also service the Gwinnett County, DeKalb County, Cobb County, Fulton County, Forsyth County, and the entire Metro Atlanta. Please visit our website, www.yoursolutionlocksmith.com, for more information, or give us a call at 7707-664-423.